beautiful day by the river.
Hello, Laira. What a beautiful day. Yes, Emma. The river looks so calm today. I like sitting here. It makes me feel peaceful. Me too. I come here when I want to relax.
Talking about the river.
Do you visit this river often? Yes, I do. I come here with my family sometimes. That's nice. I usually come with my friends.
Watching nature.
Look at the water. It is moving so gently. And the birds are singing. I love that sound. Nature is amazing, isn't it? Yes. It makes me happy.
Talking about hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading books and drawing pictures. Wow! I like drawing too.
Favorite drawings.
Really? What do you like to draw? Trees, flowers, and animals. That's wonderful.
Drawing together.
Maybe we can draw together someday. Great idea. It will be fun.
Sharing dreams.
What is your dream? I want to become a teacher and help children learn. What about you? I want to be a doctor and help people.
Encouraging each other.
We should always work hard for our dreams. Yes, and never give up. Success comes with patience and effort.
Happy friendship moment.
I am glad we had this talk. Me too. Talking with you is always enjoyable.
Sunset goodbye.
The sun is starting to set. Yes, the view is beautiful. Let's come here again next week. Sure. I would love that. Goodbye, river. See you again soon.